Hey y'all, it's your girl Christy Love here, and today we are going to do a tape-in, takedown, and reinstall on my client. She's about 8 weeks in, maybe give or take, for getting these tape-ins, and she wanted them reinstalled back in her hair because she loved them so much. As you see right here, this is her new growth. Her tape-ins are still intact, they're still going strong. It's just, she wants a touch-up. So the oil I'm using is Mazzani 25 Miracle Oil. You can just put that in between each tape-in sandwich, and then the oil will loosen up her natural hair from the tape-in, and then it'll be taken down easily. And as you just saw on that tape-in, none of her natural hair got pulled or anything. It's been going around that tape-ins pull out your natural hair, and that's not the case. As long as you have somebody that is installing them and taking them down the correct way, none of your natural hair should come out at all. No bald spots, nothing, sis. So as you see right here, I am combing out her natural hair. All the tape-ins are taken out. When you shampoo the hair, please make sure that you guys shampoo about 3 or 4 times, so the oil can be out your client's head, because oil will saturate her entire head where the tape-ins are. As you see right now, I'm about to finish installing the new tape-ins, and I apologize, I did not insert the clip of me putting new tape on the tape-ins in its natural state, because the hair that I'm using is curly. It's like a kinky curly, and I went ahead and blow dried that straight prior to my client getting here, and you see it's more like a kinky straight. No, this hair was curly. So if you guys want to see that video of me putting tape on the new tape-ins, comment below and I'll go ahead and upload that video for y'all. But her hair blends effortlessly with this type of hair. So if you have kinky hair, I'm not into that 3C, 4C mess, but if you have, regular kinky African American hair, I feel like this texture is perfect for us on top of kinky straight. Right now, I'm going to show you the method I was taught in my tape-in class to install tape-ins. I went ahead and parted her hair, and within that part, I went ahead and got a thin, smaller piece of hair, and then I'm going to put the tape-in under the part. So I'm going to put some tension under her hair. I'm going to put some tension on her hair, and I'm going to put the tape in a few centimeters or so away from her scalp. I do not put the tape in directly on her scalp. That will cause tension and that will cause pain to your client's head. I am not doing that. I'm putting the tape in under the thin piece that I pulled. And then I'm putting the tape in, I'm putting her hair on top of the tape in. And then right now, any loose pieces that did not automatically stick on that tape in piece, I'm removing it with my comb and putting it back with the other hair. Because if you try to add or force those pieces that did not stick automatically on the tape in piece, the tape in may slip out, or it's not going to stick all the way. So I went ahead and did that. And then I am going to add the second piece on there to make a sandwich. And y'all, I do use the tape-in, I guess the tape-in clip or clamp, the tape-in clamp. As you see right there, I just went ahead and did it all together. I put the tape-ins in, and then I go back and use the clamp to seal the tape-in on each sandwich. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up this video, and I will come back.
Go hit like a bitch on a bitch ass bitch. Bitch, you don't wanna be caught. Red bottom MJ, moonwalk on a bitch. Moonwalking through your flick. I'm moonwalking in the 6. Hit me with the kick. Moonbox in this bitch. I'm from the motherfucking Bronx. I keep the pump in the trunk. Bitch, if you bad, then jump. I leave your bitch in the slump. Your bitch party with party. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on money. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. I'm talking in a lane.
All right, y'all, I'm back, and I am more than halfway through. I'm going to do a ponytail test to see if any tape-ins will be sticking out, if any will be showing. And if so, I will have to move accordingly. But as you see right here, she passes the ponytail test. Look how flat and natural that look. That looks very natural. You can't tell her that's not her real hair. I'm just being honest. It blends effortlessly. It looks so nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, and I will come back when I'm done.
I'm in a Bentley truck, she keep on sucking like it's 10 to 20. All these VVS, nigga, my sperm work. Bitch so bad, I pop a miley for I
Your bitch party with party. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Put me in a lane. Dog the brain. One insane. Pick up a chick on the chain. Pick up a chick in the flame. Pretty took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset. Pretty took the pussy on upset. Cardi got brain on offset. Pretty took your man, you upset. Pretty got rich, they upset. Pretty took the pussy on offset. Cardi got brain on offset. Step in this bitch at your bitch. Look up a check at your bitch. Us at the coupe and the inches. I fuck up a bag at the Bendy. I fuck up a bag in the Benny. Who you know trip like this? Who you know build like this? I fuck shit like a dude. Pull up and pop at your crew. Coming at you. They say you basic. I pull up the roll you with diamonds. I pull up the attic with bracelet. I got your bitch and she naked. Ice on the cake when I bake it. I'm such a leads in the range. So put the dick for the brain. So put your bitch for your lane. So put the check for the bang. I said them Cardi B, Cardi and brand. Your bitch for a party.
All right, y'all, I'm back. Here go another video of me putting the tape ends in her hair. Like I said, I get a small piece. I get a small section from the part that I originally make, and then I put the hair on top of the tape in with some tension. I put it a couple centimeters away from her scalp. And then, like you see now, I'm getting rid of any of the pieces that did not make the tape in. You don't want to force any extra hair in there, or the tape in sandwich will not stick all the way, and that can cause your tape ends to slip out, or it probably can pull some of your hair out, and we do not want that at all. And then I'm gonna get the other piece of the tape in, and I'm going to make a sandwich, and that's how you do the tape in extension. Like I said, y'all, this is like one of the natural looking hair extension services. Tape ins is very easy. You know, I was so nervous doing this when I took my 101 class, but this is definitely a luxury service, and you do have to come in every, I'll say about maybe 8 to 10 weeks, depending on you. I'll say about 8 weeks, maybe 6. And there I am using the clamp. Like I said, I didn't use the clamp in the first example. I wanted to have a clip showing you guys that I used the tape in clamp so you guys can see. But yeah, I'm just about done. I think I added a couple more pieces to the side. Yeah, added more pieces to the side. But look, y'all, this looks so natural. Look at this. I'm doing another ponytail test. Now I'm just about done. I'm done with the back end. It's got to add a few pieces to the side. But look at that, y'all. Look at that. Flawless. Like, you cannot tell her this is not her hair. Sis, this is your hair. Your hair grew 26 inches overnight. Yeah, but tape ins is a good service to add. I'm definitely looking for another model if you are in the Chicago area, or if you're not and you want to come out here and be my model. I'm looking for an eye-tip model and a tape-in model. You just have to pay for the hair, because I have the hair already, so I have to pay for the hair. Right here, I am just, you know, seeing if I can add any more pieces to her head, because she do have 80 pieces. And look at that blend, y'all. Look at that blend. Look at that blend. Look at that. Look at that. It's so nice. It's so nice. It's so natural looking. Y'all, I am in love with this tape-in extension service. Look at that. Look at that. One thing I probably would say, I probably wouldn't have added as many as I did to the last row, but nonetheless. So I'm going to fast forward, and I'm going to get to the final touch.
Basic, I pull up the roll you with diamonds. I pull up the attic with bracelet. I got your bitch and she naked. Ice on the cake when I bake it. I'm such a leads in the range. So put the dick for the brand. So put your bitch for your lane. So put the check for the bang. I said them Cardi B, Cardi and brand. Your bitch for a party with party. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Put me in a lane. Dog the brain. Go insane. I drop a chick on the chain.
right, you guys, I am done with the tape ends. It's just natural. Now her hair is darker than the actual tape end, so if that does happen to your client, you can go ahead and color the hair to whatever you desire. If you want to color your client's hair to match the bundles, you can, but I would recommend coloring the bundles to match the client's hair. It'll be a lot easier. Yeah, like I said, my only thing is I want to put the tape ends as high as I did, but this still came out very effortlessly and nice, and I'm proud of myself. Now, I did not get a video of me styling the hair because I finished her hair like at 10:30 at night. It took me a while. However, we here and it looked nice. It looks effortlessly. I'm in love. And yeah, y'all. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.